guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon, also known as UK Curly Girl, and let's just get straight into this video. I know we don't have time to waste. So this is why your followers aren't buying from you. Now, you probably have an online store or a small business you've just launched on Instagram or Facebook, and you just feel like you have followers but no one seems to be buying, or you have quite a lot of followers and you've still had no sales. I'm going to delve into why I feel like your followers probably aren't buying from you and ways that you can improve, tweak, and you should find some great results after making these changes. So the first reason is you haven't made it clear what you're selling. I have looked at a few business pages and I've come across all of their posts and their feed, and I just don't know what exactly they're actually selling. There's no call to action on their posts, there's no call to action in their bio, there's no website link in their bio, no shop now, shop here, visit here. I don't know what they're selling. So they may have images of inspo or advice posts, but it's like, I'm gonna come off the page because there's nothing here for me to buy. So if you're not really communicating that you are selling something, no one's gonna buy from you, and that's just simply because people aren't aware. So you want to make sure that you are making your customers and followers aware that you have something for sale, but you're not throwing it down their throats at the same time. You can do this by, in your bio, writing something about your brand, about where you're based. If you do worldwide shipping, that will prompt people to think, okay, they ship, that means they're selling something. And then you want to put a shop now arrow down to your website. Simple as that. So you just want to make sure that you are making it clear that you are a business page that sells something, and highlight that product in your posts somehow. Whether it's 1 out of every 3 posts, you just have like a product image. As long as you can go through the feed and look through your page and actually tell that this is what you're selling, you should be good. The next reason is you have no social proof. So you've got no customer posts on your page, no reviews on your website or your Instagram page or your Facebook page, and you have no influencers that have used your product. So people are a bit hesitant because there's no proof on your page that people have actually used or bought the product. Now, I know this can be a difficult one if you haven't sold any products yet and you don't actually have any social proof, but here is when you have to utilize friends, family, influencers that you might use yourself as the business owner. You need to get real life people holding the product, using the product in a video, wearing the product. You want to show some behind the scenes footage of you on your stories, putting together the products, putting together your website, or so on. Just as long as you have a real life person using it, that isn't a stock photo, that isn't something that you've just grabbed from Google, people are going to trust more in the fact that you are a store and that real people have used it and it's not some kind of scam. If you need help on how to create this type of content, definitely check out the link below to a list of courses and classes that I have, along with one-on-one coaching that I am now offering, where you can ask me anything during the session and I will help you look into your page, into your website, on ways that I can help you improve and gain more sales. The third reason is that they simply just don't know why they should buy. They know that you're selling something, they know that you are proven to be legit and not a scam, but they just don't know why they should buy. And this is when you have to really communicate the benefits of your product, whether that be it helps the health of your hair, it makes you look good, it's vegan. You have to really communicate the benefits, and you can do this just by sharing reviews or doing a single post about the benefits. So if it is a vegan brand, you could do a post on the benefits of using vegan ingredients in products, just so they know, okay, this is why they've chosen to be vegan and this is how it's going to benefit me, and this is probably why I should buy this over someone else's. So you definitely want to communicate the why. Reason number 4 is that there is too much noise on your page. I have come across a lot of businesses on Instagram and Facebook that they're talking about things that are completely not relevant to their business and what they're selling, and it just becomes crowded. If you think a new person comes on your page and they just see a whole bunch of other things and they get lost in the source and they don't actually see what you want them to see, which is your product, social proof of your product, and why they should buy. If they are distracted by memes here and there are okay as long as they are relevant to the brand and to the product, but if you're just posting memes and news and everything else, that's not really professional, and it's going to make people not want to buy from you. So quiet the noise and really think into everything you're posting. And the last reason why your followers aren't buying from you is because your content isn't branded and it's not high quality. Like I mentioned earlier, you don't want to use stock images because it just looks really fake and like you haven't put effort or invested into your brand. So you want to get some original content. You want to use good lighting, a good ring light or natural lighting, a nice quality camera or iPhone or phone camera, and you just want to take some real high quality images of your products. You want to have branded posts, so if you do advice posts, you want to make sure that all the brand's colors are the same as like your logo or they match with the product. You just want to make sure that everything looks professional, and think of your feed as a mood board. So the colors and the psychology behind things, this is all marketing, and I delve into this in my course, How to Start a Product Business from Scratch. I have a whole module on marketing and we talk about the colors, the moods, how your page should look, how your website should look. So definitely check that out if you're interested in learning more about marketing, along with everything else you need to know about running a business. But the branding of your product and your page is what's going to really help and prompt people to buy from you. So I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments down below if it was, and feel free to share your business page with everyone. Let's support each other, and I will catch you in the next video. Oh, and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you. Bye.